If your dishwasher has the same problem as mine, or it falls to the ground with little to no resistance, stick around and I'll show you how to fix it. The solution to your problem is a new friction pad. This time I bought a 2-pack, and I say this time because I did this about 12 months ago and this dishwasher is 2 years old. So I'm assuming in 12 months I'll be back here doing this again. So the friction plate lives back here, and the first step is going to be to remove the kick plate. Just take a screwdriver, there's 2 little plastic screws you turn, and the whole thing will pop out. Just like that. Pull this whole thing out of there. It's got some insulation on the backside. The next step is to remove 1 screw on each side of the unit, and the whole thing will slide out. This really is not that hard of a project. It's just annoying. Round that screw out, then come to the other side and grab this one over here. Like I said, I just did this 12 months ago, and it's pretty frustrating realizing I'm going to have to do this every year for as long as I own this stupid dishwasher. Now all you're going to do is grab it and just pull it out. Oh, come on. Come on, dishwasher. You should probably be grabbing inside the cabinet, but let's face it, I'm a little perturbed at it, so I really don't care. Just take caution that you are picking up on the unit so you don't scuff your floor underneath of it. And that should be out far enough. And right here is where the friction pad should go. All it is a little rubber disc that rubs on the side of the unit. You can see the clean spot where it wipes. It's a really stupid design. I hate it. And here's what the friction pad looks like. Obviously you're going to notice your door just free falling like this. And both times this little piece has been sitting on the floor outside of the unit. So what you want to do is, with the door fully shut, grab this plastic piece, push up on it. Oh, don't launch it inside like that, but if you do, it's not the end of the world. So then take your new friction pad, slide it over the end of the hinge here. Kind of got to pull the hinge out away from the dishwasher a little bit to get it over. There you go. It's installed. And then take the little white piece, pull out on it, and hook it back on. And now, when you open the door, it'll stay pretty much anywhere you leave it. The whole premise is this little rubber pad is forced against the metal housing and holds it in position. Really a stupid idea if you ask me, and I honestly hate the dumb thing. Just 5 minutes of time and you can have a dishwasher that no longer just free falls. It has nice resistance and no longer slams to the floor. If you like this video, please comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.